Greetings to you, my beloved ones. I am Samuel. As I entered into your vibration tonight, I noted a vibration of gloom and despair. In other words, you are not seeing clearly. The problems of life are dragging you down, but you must realize, my friends, that if life was all perfection, you would grow very little. For it is by the reverses, the problems, that you grow. These are the things, if approached in the right manner, that will bring you strength and fortitude. Earth people today are passing through many tests to test their faith, their wisdom, their strength, and it is only by these tests that your strength will increase and grow. But, beloved ones, you must have faith. You must know that the Father dwells within you, and that from Him you can draw the strength and the wisdom to cope with any problem that might face you. Did your master not tell you that if you had the faith of a grain of mustard seed, you could move mountains? How much less faith than that do you have, my friends? Do you think that you could develop the strength or the faith the size of a mustard seed? Surely you could have this much faith. You do not seem to realize, beloved ones, the strength and power that you have within you. Search deep within and find that strength and that faith, for I assure you, beloved ones, it is only waiting for you to bring it forth. So place your hand in the hand of the Father, with the knowing that He will lead you onward on the upward path. Place all of your problems, your desires in His hands, knowing full well that He will show you the way. You need only to believe this, my friends, to truly believe it, to be able to place all things with Him, knowing that they will be solved, that you will be shown the way. For our Creator is all wise. He knows the way. He knows the way that is best for you and will show you the way. But, beloved ones, you must believe. Your every thought must be directed in this vein. Become aware of every thought that you think. For every thought that you think is a seed of creation, and it will return to you 100-fold. This is the law. So think thoughts of purity. Always be positive in your thoughts. Let no thoughts of judgment or condemnation enter your mind. When you feel these thoughts coming, cast them aside and replace them with thoughts of love. Judgment is not yours. The Creator will take care of that in His own way and in His own time. So when you see others breaking His laws and apparently profiting by them, judge not, for their judgment will be taken care of in His own way and in His own time. Someday you will realize this. You will see clearly how the law works, and you will see that it is a just law, that He does not punish anyone. Each one brings about his own punishment. by your own thoughts and by your own actions. Let the good things come to you. The Father knows what you have need of. He wishes to give you His kingdom, but He wants you to have the wisdom to use it rightly. Now, it has been said among your people that money is the root of all evil. But I say to you that it is the love of money, or gold, or material things that is the root of all evil. Material wealth is not evil in the hands of those who have the wisdom to use it properly. The Father wants you to have all of these things when you have the wisdom to use them. Many who are seeking in the light wonder sometimes why they have not had great material wealth bestowed upon them. But I would say that they are fortunate that they have not had it, for they have not yet reached a point where they have the wisdom to use it properly. So you see, many times perhaps you are being protected by not having great material wealth. You need only to look about you to see how some are being destroyed by this very thing. But when you walk in the light, the Father will supply your needs. And what more have you need of? In helping others, you may pray for them. You can visualize and send them love and light. You do not turn away a hungry man. If he asks for food, you feed him. Your own wisdom and judgment must often be used in what you do to help another. Here is where your prayers and your faith come in. By developing an inner guidance, you will know, you will have the wisdom, the intuitive wisdom to know what is necessary to do and what is not necessary to do. It is better to do something than to do nothing if you are in doubt. If someone asks you for your help, for your guidance, for your advice, give it to them to the best of your ability. And if you are faithful in your prayers and in your seeking, you'll find that the answers will come to you. The Holy Breath will guide you in what to say and in what to do. Some worry that their sincere prayers for light cannot be answered or are not being answered. But this, my friend, is because you cannot see into the past. Just as you could ask why one is born into a crippled body, but if you could see into their past lives, their karmatic patterns, you would see the reason for these things. These are debts to be paid and lessons to be learned. There are times when individuals become victims of circumstances, of surroundings, but in most of these cases they will overcome these situations and come into the light. And you cannot put an outcome on the love and light, you say, and for purity is sent without any strings attached. And when you send this love and light forth, And when you have done this, you have fulfilled your obligation. Physical help is another thing, such as feeding the hungry. You are your brother's keeper in these respects, and your service to your fellow man is the thing upon which you will be judged. But now, my friends, I must leave you. I wish to extend to each of you my love and my blessings. May your faith in the Father grow ever stronger, and may each day find you with a greater and stronger faith, placing your hand more firmly in His. Go in peace, my friends. Go in peace.